Koniec starzenia się mózgu? You know, recent findings about the DMTF1 protein are absolutely mind-blowing. It's like giving neurons a second shot at youth.
Yeah. So, we're talking about a protein that, wow, can actually restore the regenerative abilities in aging brain cells?
Exactly. Researchers in Singapore found that DMTF1 can essentially reverse the aging process in neurons by reactivating those dormant genes in stem cells.
Right.
It's like flipping a switch that unlocks the cell's ability to renew themselves.
That's impressive. So with DMTF1, the mechanism involves reactivating helper genes like ARID2 and SS18, which are crucial for, unwrapping tightly packed DNA.
Yes, exactly. Those genes are key to triggering the growth and repair process. It kind of sets the stage for enhanced plasticity in the brain. Imagine if we could harness that to delay or even reverse memory loss or neurodegeneration.
It definitely sounds like a game changer for therapies against dementia and Alzheimer's, but don't you think there's a risk? I mean, stimulating cell division in the brain could potentially lead to tumors, right?
You raise a good point. The researchers are well aware of that, and they've been cautious to ensure that increased DMTF1 expression doesn't lead to uncontrolled growth.
Absolutely.
They're already planning studies to check the long-term safety, and if this reactivation truly benefits memory without those risks.
So, the idea is to develop small molecules that safely and effectively boost DMTF1 levels, sort of like a targeted upgrade for our brain cells?
Exactly. It's like fine-tuning an engine. You want just the right boost to power up the regenerative processes without causing it to overheat. Researchers are cautiously optimistic, saying these findings could provide a breakthrough in treating cognitive decline.
And it's fascinating that they saw these effects not just in cell cultures, but also in limited laboratory models of premature aging.
Right, step by step. They first noted that DMTF1 levels decline in the aged stem cells. Then, by restoring its expression, the cells regain their division and repair capabilities. It's like, turning back the clock on cellular aging.
I love that analogy. Still, how soon do you think we might see actual therapies reach patients?
Good question. While the lab results are promising, evidence suggests that it might be some time before we see clinical trials. Researchers are rigorously testing if, in a living organism, these treatments can restore memory and learning without unwanted side effects.
Right. It's an exciting frontier. Imagine a future where brain aging is not just inevitable. It might be, managed or even reversed.
Absolutely, the potential is enormous. Although, we need to balance the optimism with careful research. Not every breakthrough translates seamlessly to therapy.
Agreed. It's a delicate balance between innovation and safety. Still, it's thrilling to see science tackling aging at such a cellular level.
Totally. It's like we're redefining what aging can mean for our brains. And as these studies progress, we'll surely get more insights, maybe even the first steps towards therapies that could revolutionize cognitive health.
Right on. Incredible stuff. Here's to the hope of a not-so-distant future where age is just a number, at least for our brains.
Absolutely. Cheers to that breakthrough and the promise it holds.